Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on the ViviTar Devil 2100 mAh NMH rechargeable batteries. It does come in a pack of 4. I just wanted you to be able to see the batteries in actual action. So here we are. Here's the batteries right here. Here they are. Well, we can't really see them that well. My camera's a little fuzzy. It says V-Power. And what I wanted to be able to do is just let you see it. What I have here is one of the little ones, race car controllers. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off, put it on in, and just let you see how it works great for that. Just going to put that on in, put that one on in, and we have a remote controller that actually works. That can control the cars. There we go, I have a little bit of trouble there. But it's all done. Thank you so much for watching.